أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining us. Today we're going to be talking about a topic or a question that might pop up to one's mind when looking at human lives throughout history, throughout their own daily lives. Everywhere we go, there are always regulations, there are always laws chaining human beings. Why is that so? Why cannot human beings be free creatures and do whatever they want and desire? The fact of the matter is that when reviewing human beings and their nature and their type, one will understand this, that if you let a human being do whatever he wants, there will be corruption, there will be problems, it will cause society to clash and collide. For example, I want this piece of pie. My friend wants that piece of pie. My enemy wants that same piece of pie. If there was no regulation to say whose piece of pie was this for, we will get in a big fight. This is just a simple example that I brought up. Make this example more bigger, into more money. Make it more, for example, for something more bigger. Make it, for example, for other desires and lusts, for example. Then you have more severe consequences. These consequences come from the non-availability of regulations. And that is why every country has to put a regulation. Every law, every state, every government has to put a regulation. Why? To keep everything intact, to keep everything in order. Otherwise, there would be corruption. Not only corruption, there would be a lot of chaotic problems available from left to right. Everywhere you go, everywhere you look, there will be chaos spread around. Thus, it is very important that human beings are regulated, are limited to precise actions so that the society could be intact. Thank you very much, brothers and sisters. I hope you guys had a good lesson. Please join us again. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.